17, Lesson 3, Fuel Efficiency, Recycling, and Security Systems. Today's vehicles are designed and built for greater fuel efficiency. The way you drive can also improve the fuel efficiency. List 5 techniques for fuel-efficient driving. Fuel-efficient vehicles. Hybrid models are available in all types of vehicles. Hybrids combine the benefits of a gas engine and electrical motors that operate in unison or independently. The engine is controlled by an automatic system that shuts off the engine when the vehicle comes to a stop and restarts the engine when the accelerator is pressed. Maximizing fuel efficiency. By keeping periodic track of your gas mileage and comparing the data, you know if you're getting the most mileage per gallon or if your car needs servicing. Control speed. For most cars, the maximum fuel efficient is between 40 and 60 miles per hour. If you drive at 70, you will get 2 to 4 fewer miles per gallon. Jackrabbit stops and starts will increase the need for fuel and cause excessive wear on your brakes. Warm the engine. Most modern fuel-injected vehicles need only 30 seconds to warm up and go. Lighten load. Reduce the load you carry in your vehicle. Reduce idling. Excessive idling wastes gas. Reduce drag. A clean car can reduce drag by up to 12%. Alternative fuels. Alternative fuels come from a resource other than petroleum and are reducing our dependence on imported oil. You have ethanol, biodiesel, natural gas, propane, hydrogen. Objective. List 2 vehicle fluids and 5 vehicle parts that can be recycled. Recycling. The oil from just one oil change is enough to contaminate 1 million gallons of fresh water. Commercial motor oil and transmission fluid are toxic substances that cause injury or death when ingested, inhaled, or touched. To recycle used motor oil and transmission fluid, take them to a service station, recycling drop-off location, or household hazardous waste collection site. Cars and car parts can be recycled through dismantling, crushing, shredding, and resource recovery. Usable car parts and components include batteries, wheels, tires, radios, engines, glass, and catalytic converters. Objective. Explain how a keyless system works and how it gives you access to your vehicle. Security systems. Over 1 million vehicles are reported stolen each year. Vehicle theft can be deterred with a variety of security systems. Keyless entry. A keyless entry is a wireless remote control. It can open the door, start or disable the engine, pop open the trunk, activate the alarm, and may have a panic button. A key fob in your pocket can help a key fob in your pocket can have a chip that recognizes you and lets you enter the car and start the vehicle by touching the power button. Theft prevention. A bar that locks the steering wheel in place is a simple system. Sensory of security. Some alarm systems use sensory that activate if a door, the trunk, or the hood is opened, the car is moved, a window is broken. Someone tries to load your vehicle in a tow truck. Interior motion sensors will detect a smash or grab break-in by sounding the horn and alarm and by flashing lights. Describe 5 ways that satellites can make your driving safer. Satellite system. A satellite can find a vehicle within hours, offer hands-free voice commands, get you emergency assistance and traffic reports, unlock your doors, and give directions to destinations. Security and anti-theft systems may reduce your insurance premiums, so check with your agent before buying. Review. How can you reduce fuel consumption? Name 2 vehicle fluids and 5 vehicle parts that can be recycled.